I love natural materials and the colors of nature. That is why I only used natural and organic materials like wood, metal, linen curtains, and woolen upholstery in the apartment. My name is Alicja. I'm an architect and the owner of the interior design studio Alicja Szmal-Studio. I live here with my husband Jan and our dog Peppy.
Another year has begun and your home is in need of something. Learn how to diversify, amplify, expand, revive and innovate in your space, whether it's small or large. It's all in our book, which could be yours. Now shipping worldwide from the US, Europe and Australia.
The apartment is located in Poznań, Poland, and more specifically Jeżyce district. Jeżyce is a popular district full of Art Nouveau tenement houses, restaurants with good food, and cozy cafes. The apartment is 42 square meters. As this is a new apartment, I was able to work with the developers to create my dream space. There is a bedroom, bathroom, a kitchen with a functional island, a dining room, a living room, and a cute little patio. I wanted to cleverly solve the cabinets to gain maximum storage while at the same time avoid the impression of being overwhelmed by them. The entrance is separated from the main space by a big cabinet which joins the corridor and the living space. To enlarge the space by the entrance, I designed the mirror on the side of the cabinet. I used the wooden stool to sit while changing shoes and for reaching the top of the shelves. There is also a small niche under the mirror for the shoes we often wear. On the other side of this cabinet, there are open shelves for books. I didn't want to choose a regular L-shaped sofa as it is often really big. So I chose to join two chaise lounges together. They fit the space perfectly. By the window, there is a spot for my plants. The plants love the light here, and they also double as a privacy screen since this window looks out to the street. Underneath the plants, there are some additional storage. I found the armchair in the trash. It's called Bunny, from the iconic 60s Polish design by Józef Hierowski. I had the chair restored and it looks great in this living area. If you flip one of the chaise lounges, you can easily get the additional bed for guests. The kitchen has an island that acts as a barrier between the living and dining space, so it doesn't feel like you are always in the kitchen. The kitchen island is made mostly from wood and was designed to be like a piece of art. It contains the sink, dishwasher, oven and storage. Above the kitchen island is a suspended shelf for plants. It also provides the lighting for the island. On the other side of the kitchen is a white wall with a hidden fridge, induction hob and plenty of storage. When the kitchen is not in use, it appears like just a white wall and is uncluttered. Microcement was used on the floor throughout the entire apartment. The smooth finish and use of a single material helps to make the space feel larger than it is. The dining table is round and compact. It is just right size for us. When we have guests over, we can extend the table to fit up to 10 people. The bedroom contains only the function of sleeping with a wardrobe and a mirror. There is no more space for anything else. The wardrobe with the leather knobs goes from floor to ceiling, so it looks like a wall and doesn't stand out. The wooden nightstands are from an iconic Polish design in Gliwice, south of Poland, where I am originally from. It goes well with the armchair. It is so cozy here, which makes it easy to get a good night rest. The bathroom is a small space, but it contains everything I need. I use large mirrors to reflect the space and made it look bigger. There is a bathtub with a rain shower and long, comfortable vanity with storage under the sink. The irregular tiles on the wall behind the sink works nicely with the microcement floors and is the same as the tiles by the induction hob in the kitchen. The washing machine is hidden behind a mirror storage unit next to the toilet. The patio can be accessed from the dining area. There is a wooden deck with outdoors furniture and a small garden. The patio becomes an extension of our apartment during warmer months. We like to chill out here with our dog Peppy. I think that well-designed small interiors can provide everything we need to live comfortable and beautiful lives. We do not have to waste time to look after extra space, and it stops us from hoarding unnecessary items so we can live more simply.
Thanks for watching, and if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.